Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate or turn on accidental touch protection in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Suppose if you are holding your phone in your pant pocket or in your shirt pocket, accidental mistouch may happen. Okay, so to avoid this, to avoid data loss or to avoid any other loss, it is better to use accidental touch protection so that your phone will not open even if mistouch has happened. Okay, so to do this, what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first, then go to display, and here select accidental touch protection. Okay, just turn on this button. Protect your phone from accidental touches when it is in a dark place such as a pocket or in back. Okay, so if you turn on this, your phone will be more safe, even if you forget to lock your phone using lock screen pattern or password. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.